Now it's not gonna work. Yeah. I don't know what's wrong with it yet, but there's definitely something wrong. Alright.
Okay. Yeah.
Is it better now?
Yeah.
This truck wasn't running so good. Went underneath, both exhaust manifolds are blowing out. Popped an O2 sensor out, stuck a borescope in. Looks a little melted. We cut the the rusty bolts off the manifolds. We're running it straight off the manifold, no cats. Should run just like it's normal. Idle's perfect on its own. We'll throw a couple cats on this thing. Send it down the road.